Only 1 hour to spare. What if I told you you could turn that into real cash right now? Before we dive in, hit subscribe and join our journey to smart earning ideas that actually work. Let's make your next 60 minutes profitable. Ready? 1. Pet sit with Rover. Love animals? Sign up on Rover and earn $20 to $50 just by walking or sitting someone's dog for 30 to 60 minutes. Yes, getting paid to cuddle pets is real. 2. Recycle bottles and scrap metal. Got old cans, bottles, or wires at home? Collect and sell them to nearby recycling centers. Even one bag of cans can earn quick bucks and help the planet too. 3. Become a delivery rider. Apps like Uber, Eats, Foodpanda, and Amazon Flex let you deliver in your neighborhood. 1 hour equals fast deliveries equals instant cash in hand. 4. Complete online surveys. Use your phone to take surveys on Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Inbox Dollars. You can make up to $30 hour just by answering simple questions. 5. Virtual assistant work. Have basic computer skills. Manage calendars, respond to emails, or do research as a virtual assistant. Sites like Upwork and Fiverr pay up to $50 hour. 6. Give online consultations, whether it's nutrition advice, parenting help, or career coaching. Charge for your time. 1 hour of valuable guidance can earn you $50 to $100 easily. 7. Freelancing. No design, writing, or editing. Sell your skill online. Freelancers often earn $100 plus per hour once they gain experience. Start with Fiverr or People per hour. So, which hustle fits your skill and situation? Whether you're on the go or at home, you can start earning in just 1 hour. Comment below your favorite method, and don't forget, if this helped you, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe now to Spy Opinion for more real-world earning ideas, smart tools, and money-making secrets. New videos every week. Don't miss out. Turn time into money. Let's go. For more details, visit my blog spyopinion.com. The link is in the video description below.